do it.
Just poke their bellies when you want me to set the explosives off. I gotta do it remotely. Oh snap, son! I hear the terrain coming! Counting down. 10, 9. Word. Burn all the babies!
Well, that's one way to hijack a train. The Valky's still up on that ice shelf. You better climb that wreckage to get there.
Climb the path to the train, or you'll go insane. What? That's a rap song I wrote.
Search the train cars. They're probably keeping the Valky in the most fortified one.
High quality, low prices, and no questions asked. Lovely. I'm sure we'll be doing this again soon enough.
Don't worry. If Jack really wanted to protect the vault key, it wouldn't be on a train. He'd have Wilhelm guarding it. Oh dear.
It's a trap! The vault key's not on the train. Abort the mission, soldier! I'm sorry, but you can't handle Wilhelm. Trust me.
Kid, Wilhelm nearly killed us all in New Haven without taking a scratch. If things get bad, just run. Roland is wrong, Vault Hunter. You can't defeat Wilhelm, I promise you.
Not now! Hello? Sentry deployed!
Not dead yet! Say hello, beautiful!
You killed Wilhelm. Holy
hello
hell.
there,
Jack
Luke.
doesn't stand a chance.
Wilhelm dropped a power core. Be sure to grab it. My sensors tell me it's one of a kind. If you bring it to Roland, Sanctuary's shields may never need to be recharged again.
Whoa. Never seen a power core like that. The one you got from Reese is nearly burned out. Why don't you bring it back here? We may not have found the vault key, but...
Let's see.
At least Sanctuary will be safe a little longer, thanks to you. Wow! Bravo! Champagne, cheers, high fives, so clap! You got the damn power core, didn't ya? You've been warned. The kid gloves are coming off. Tighten up the big boy pants because things are gonna get really, really bad for you vault hunters.
Sorry about the bad intel, everybody. I really thought the vault key would be on that train. I'll make it up to you all later. Next time I'm in Sanctuary, the beers are on me. What you think, Bloodwing?
Wilhelm nearly defeated the other Vault Hunters a couple of years ago. You have proven yourself to be even stronger than them. Well done.
Hey, Roland, Handsome Jack here, remember me? My men kicked your bandit asses out of New Haven and killed your little pal Lilith. Ringing any bells? Anyway, I hear you and the rest of your little buddies have relocated to Sanctuary. Just wanted to congratulate ya. You've successfully delayed your death by a few months. I'm gonna be real busy mining iridium to charge that vault key I stole from your buddy Tanis, so you guys are gonna be low on my priority list for a while, so, ciao.
A new power core? Whoa, that looks like it could keep our shields up for as much as I... Using Hyperion tech. That core you brought us earlier is nearly burnt up. Why don't you pop it out?